Hello guys! Ito, susundo tayo sa mga bata. Maglalakad sana ako guys, pero super hangin. Ang hangin. Tignan nyo naman ang buhok ko sa hangin. Hindi nga maulan, wala ding araw. Kaya, pero super ang hangin. Super lamig sa hangin. Parang kumakagat sa buto-buto. Kaya dito na lang ako magbabas na lang ako guys. At dito na nga ang bus. Ayan, malapit na yung bus. Bus na lang tayo kaysa lamigin ako dyan sa paglalakad. Ito na yung bus natin. Hintayin lang natin. Andyan na siya. Ayan. Lapit na si bus. Bus na lang tayo guys. Kasi ang hirap maglakad ng malamig. Eto guys, nakababa na tayo ng bus. At lalakad na tayo papunta sa school ng mga bata. Ayan. Super hangin talaga. Mahangin. Mga iba dinadaan na lang sa sombrero. Ayan. Yan yung pababa. Tawiran. Tapos papuntang ganyan. Yan tayo dumadaan pag naglalakad guys. So, yan tayo lumalabas. Underground. Yan tayo. Diyan yung daanan natin pag maglalakad. Sana tayo dyan lalabas. Sa train station. Ito train station yan eh. So, ito naman yung papunta ng Waitrose kung saan susundin natin yung mga bata. Grabe ang hangin talaga. Naririnig ko ba yung hangin? Super. Inaayos sila ang taas ng scaffolding punta dun sa taas. Nagpapanday mga panday, pero wag ka mga panday dito guys, malaki ang kita ng mga yan ang malaking kita dito sa England. Per hour nila is malaki. Buti na lang nag-jacket ako no, kung hindi Diyos ko baka gininaw ako ng todo, excuse me. Parking malaking parking kaya dito nagpa-park mga parents para sa mundo. Libre ng 3 hours. Pag lumampas ka ng 3 hours, patay ka. Bayad. Ticket agad. Ayan. Papasok ako sa Waitrose. Titingin ako ng snack ng mga bata habang naghihintay kami ng parents evening. Ano kayo mabibili nating snack dun? Ewan ko. Tingin lang tayo kung anong snack pwedeng bilhin. Ayan. Yan ang Waitrose. Ayan mga push cart. Talagang ayos na ayos. Hindi nagkalat. No? Ayan. Dito ako bili ako ng ano guys, cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Ay, hindi ata maganda ang cabbage. Saan ba yung kanilang... Ito pala. Ito yung cabbage nila. Makabili tayo kahit dalawa. Ano naman yan? Ito na lang. Magkano ang isa? May piso. Ang galing ah. Dalawahin ko na. Para... ito. Maganda siya. Oh. Isa. At... isa lang. Mabigat kasi eh. Hindi pa man tayo wala pa man din tayong sasakyan. Nagbus lang tayo kaya isang cabbage is enough. Tapos snack na lang ng dalawa. Meron pa naman tayong prutas sa bahay. Watermelon. Nag-gait ako ng watermelon kanina. Ay, okay pa ako. Cabbage. Banana pala. Wala tayong banana. Banana pala ang wala. So, kuha na lang ako ng isang banana. Okay na ba ito? Hindi ba malamog sa bag? Baka naman malamog sa bag ko pala kasi nakabagpak lang tayo. Pag bumili ako ng banana, lamog yan. Huwag na lang, bukas na lang. Wednesday naman bukas. Ito na lang ang kunin muna natin. Tapos snack. Tapos carry na yan. Yung snack kaya makukuha natin. So kasi nila to. Chocolate. Ito tayo ng isa. Gusto din kasi yung hot cross bun. Hanapan natin siya ng hot cross bun. Nasaan ba yung hot cross bun dito? Ayun. Hot cross bun. Ito. Gusto na adin ang hot cross bun. 2 for 3 pound. Kuha nila ako ng dalawa. Okay na yan. Ito naman ito. Apple cinnamon. Huwag na yan. Tapos snack. Yan na. Ito ang bilhin natin. Ano ba yung mga snack dito? Chicherya na naman. Let's go. Hilig ng nanay ang chicherya. Kaya pati mga bata napahilig na rin. Napahilig na rin sila sa chicherya. Nahawaan ko na. Saan ba yung malalaki niyan? Ito na, malalaking ito. Gusto ni ate yan. Isa nito. Pringles kay ading. Pringles original. Okay. Okay na yan siguro mo na. Tama na yan. Malamog lang sa loob ng bag. Tapos okay na. Okay na muna. Okay.
except for maths. Everything was good except for maths.
Everything is good daw except sa math. Quick. So habang sa labas kami, dumaan kami ng shop para marami na namang nabudol. Sobrang hangin guys, busy hair day today.
Because it's very windy.
It's very windy and cold.
We just went to Can I hold the door, please?
Hi.
Hello.
Don't hang on my bag. Ang bigat-bigat na nga ng bag.
Can I help you then?
Yeah, it's fine. Done. It's so heavy.
I did.
Let me see. Let go. Is it on?
Yeah. We're going home now.
Yeah, we can tell now.
So hello, Adding.
What do you mean so sad? Behind in the bag.
Just have to get the keys. Say hello, Mummy.
Oh, messy head day. It's so windy.
Look at my teeth.
Gee, pangit ni.
Yeah, it's got gaps.
Okay, say bye for now. See you upstairs.
Bye bye. We'll see you upstairs.
See you guys. See you guys. Ito na tayo. Nakauwi na. Sound and safe. So,
Yeah.
mag-unpack tayo ng ating pinamili sa town. Jacket off.
Can I tell them something? Hello guys, try and guess how much steps I done. I give you
Clue. What's the clue?
it's in the thousands.
1,000 step. Wow.
Let me see my one. Mine was 5,450.
Okay.
And then this is how many calories I lost.
Let's see what this was.
I lost 1,210 calories.
Okay, chicheria.
Oh.
Chicheria. And more chicheria.
So it was take
And
2,
guys,
4.
Adding.
this is how
This
much
is Adding's favorite.
cat craft band.
Crossband.
And here
This
is another one of this with these two.
Rice cracker.
I love these.
I got 2 hot crossband for Adding.
and this
Bread.
Done. And biscuit cracker for Ate.
You got some what are these called again?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
I got some cake from Waitrose. It become pancake. Muna na lang di ako bumili ng banana. If I put banana, it's gonna be pancake in my bag.
Jammy Dodgers. Adding favorite.
And cabbage. Take it
Not just that,
out.
we got
Oh,
some
there's
one
more.
here. We got this drinking hot
Galaxy.
chocolate because usually I get sick from the other normal one, so we bought that.
We got flapjack.
And then
And
Milk.
gatas. Okay.
gatas.
Okay, Dad, have you hugas kamay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, put it away in the fridge.
Guys,
Okay.
this is how much steps I've done. If you didn't comment down below, you have to do it in 2 seconds. 1, 2. Alright, this is how many steps I've done. I don't think you can see it. Let me just
Can
remove it.
they say it? I don't think they can see it.
This is how many steps I've done.
Con, just read it out loud.
9,000. 9,564. And this is how much calories I burnt, and it's 516.
Wow.
Oh, I
That's a
did more.
lot of calories. Well done. How about you, Ate?
I already told.
Oh, how about calories?
Calories 1,210.
Ah.
Mummy, what about you?
Huh?
0.
I didn't give it now.
Is that Coca-Cola?
No, it's water. Nice to drink Coke.
After a long year.
You guys want some?
Yes, please.
Sorry?
Yes, please.
You should have it back to front again then.
I
Did you
don't
do
know.
PE today?
No.
I didn't.
You didn't do PE?
No.
I think your jumper is
Can I
back
have
to front.
this?
Look how high I can jump.
Well, you jump like a monkey. I mean like a kangaroo. Like a kangaroo. Well done, Ate. Thanks. How about my bag? You haven't even folded my bag.
Back. I was doing this first. Where did the bread go?
Just leave it there out for now. Have you hugas kamay?
Yes. No. I always say yes nowadays.
So have you? Have you not? Have you? Have you ever washed your hand, or you're just saying yes and yes and yes?
No, I have actually washed my hands.
Oh, good. Okay guys, thank you. Anuhin natin yung pagkain ng mga bata. Don't need to be so close. Why are you so close?
Because I want to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Did you walk to school?
No, I didn't. I was about to, but it's very windy and cold, so I can't be bothered. I just go in the bus. It's so cold, that's why I don't want to. I don't want to walk. Why? Don't I have to walk?
Yeah, no.
Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Say bye-bye now. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Do I
Thank
turn it
you for
off? How do I turn it
watching.
off?
Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting.
What are you making now, Mama?
I'm getting
Hold
rice
on.
with dinner and warming up the soup. Show them the salmon sinigang.
Hold on. Don't know if they can see it.
Huh?
Here.
I'm warming up. Nagluto ako kanina ng salmon sinigang bago ako umalis ng bahay. Ngayon, pinapainit ko lang. At ang rice, ano to guys, lamig to from yesterday. Lamig from yesterday rice. Hindi na ako nagluto kasi 2 bata lang naman ang kakain. So, tama na tong kanin
In
nila.
here. Is it like the thing that we had yesterday?
Bye-bye na.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Please remember to subscribe and like the video. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.